There are guys out there who attract the highest quality of girls. On the other side, there are many guys that can't even talk to girls. They say things like, "Girls are not worth the time, they are only after money." While that may be true for some women, not all of them are after materialistic things. In fact, girls can make your life a lot more fun. Of course, focusing and improving yourself is always good, but let's be honest. You clicked this video because you want to attract girls, so let's stop blaming girls and learn how to better ourselves. That way you can attract any girl you want in your life. I will teach you 3 things that will make you extremely attractive to women. Number 1, confidence. It's a known fact that girls find confident guys attractive. I will break down confidence into 3 steps so you can learn and implement them. The first step is positive beliefs. You need to have positive beliefs if you want to succeed with women. These beliefs do not need to have a basis. You have to believe in yourself for no reason. Even when all the odds are against you, you still have to believe in yourself. Girls find guys with positive beliefs extremely attractive because believing in yourself and knowing that you will succeed no matter what sends a message to her brain. I'm a strong guy, and the obstacles in life cannot stop me. The second step is experience. It's no surprise that girls find older guys attractive because they know with age comes experience. You must get out of your comfort zone and build your life experiences. Gaining experiences will not be easy, and you can't expect them to be. You have to put yourself in situations where you don't feel very good. But trust me, this way you will develop much faster and gain a lot more experience. And as you gain experience, you will also build solid confidence. The third step is high testosterone. There is a strong connection between confidence and high testosterone. Men who have high testosterone are more competitive and energetic. They believe they have superpowers. These are the psychological effects of high testosterone. You should be extra careful about your testosterone levels if you want to have solid confidence. To have high testosterone, you need a protein-rich diet. Eat more meat, fish, and chicken. Consume more vegetables and lots of fruits. Find out what's missing in your body and take the essential supplements. Also, working out will drastically increase your testosterone as well. Hit the large muscle groups. Push your body to its limits and increase your muscle mass. Not only will it make you feel better, but it also will increase your energy. Try to sleep at least 8 hours and give your body that well-needed rest. Being optimistic is also one of the things that keep your testosterone high. It will motivate you and force you to take action. Remember, optimism is one of the most masculine traits a man can have. Number 2. Charisma. Charisma allows you to draw others to you, convince people of your ideas, and command respect. It's an essential part of being a leader as well, because people are easily influenced by appearance and aura. To be charismatic, you need to have a strong presence, a unique style, and good communication skills. Men with a strong presence draw the attention of others easily, and women instantly notice these men. A strong presence is about your energy and how you carry yourself. To have a strong presence, move slowly and talk slowly, always stay calm, have positive energy, and a charming smile. This way you will easily command a room and women will try to talk to you. Talk less, listen more. Don't give too much information about yourself. Listen to others carefully and ask them the right questions. This way, you will have mystery and people will like you more because you make them feel important with your communication skills. Listening and asking the right questions is one of the key elements when it comes to talking to women. Because women love to talk about themselves, and you can easily carry the conversation with the things they say. You can check out my video if you want to learn how to talk to women, which makes them obsessed with you. Also, take care of your hygiene. Nobody wants to be around people that smell bad. Take showers regularly and use deodorant and scent. Make sure your mouth hygiene is good. Brush your teeth every day and chew gum if you haven't eaten for some time. Find a unique style that suits you. Learn how to dress casual and classy. People will treat you differently depending on your clothing, especially women. I will make an in-depth video about dressing well in the future, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Number 3, being fun. Women find funny guys extremely attractive because life is a hard place, and being funny and happy takes strength. And by funny, I mean having a good sense of humor, being adventurous, and having positive energy. An attractive guy is full of life enough to have fun even by himself. Contrary to popular belief, being funny is actually pretty simple. If you get the goal of impressing a woman out of your head and be comfortable, you will be funny, and women will love it. You don't have to be perfect or really smart. You just need a good sense of humor and fun. Being adventurous will attract women like a magnet. You have to get out of your comfort zone and be open to new experiences. It could be small things like going outside and talking to new people, joining a club and doing activities together, going to places that you've never been before, or going to concerts every once in a while. There are millions of fun activities you can do. One of the best parts of being adventurous is that when you look back at your life, you will be able to say, "I've lived a good life and experienced so many things." You won't feel regret, and you will be proud of yourself. Girls like guys that make them laugh. I'm sure you've heard of it many times before. What makes something funny is the way we tell it. If you are comfortable, others will be comfortable too. Don't be a pushover and try too hard to make others laugh. From this point of view, you should first focus on the way you'll say something instead of what to say. Just relax and try to be in a good mood. Nobody can be funny with a negative energy. In this respect, a relaxed person with positive energy will make others laugh a lot more. To have a good sense of humor, you shouldn't care about what others think. It's okay, not all of your jokes have to be funny, but don't be afraid to try new things and practice. Sense of humor is a skill, and as long as you keep practicing, it will get better. And don't get me wrong, I'm not telling you to be a clown who tries so hard to make girls laugh. That will come off as unnatural. I could talk to you more, but I think I've said enough for now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay safe.